Good morning, boys and girls. It is Tuesday, April 21st, 2020. It seems to be getting nice outside. It was a little dark and raining this morning, but now it's getting nice. So let's get this page done so we can get outside and get some fresh air. Okay, again today we're working on our spelling and we're using suffixes. Suffixes come at the end of a word and our suffixes are full, ly, and Okay, it's lesson 23 in our reader's notebook, page 120. Okay, so today we have a spelling word sort. We're going to write each basic word under the correct heading. So our basic words are here, 1 through 14. Okay, let's take a look at them. We have a suffix full, we have a suffix ly, and then down here we have words that end with the suffix er or. Okay, let's take a look. Our first word, number 1, is singer. That is a person who sings. Number 2, loudly. Might be how Mrs. Stroud talks sometimes. Loudly. Next, number 3 is joyful or full of joy. Number 4, teacher. It's a person who teaches. Number 5, fighter. It's a person who fights, like a firefighter, a person who fights fires. Next, we have closely, and that's describing how we do something closely. We can walk closely behind someone. Next, we have number 7, powerful. It's full of power. A lot of you are very powerful when you play your sports or you're out at recess, right? Next, we have number 8, farmer. That's a person who works on a farm. Number 9, quickly. It's how we do something again, quickly. Like I would like to quickly do all my work today so I may get outside and have some fun. Okay. Number 10, careful. Full of care. That means being very mindful about how you're doing something so that you don't mess up. Like when Mrs. Stroud makes you form your letters in our Wilson reading classes, correct? You need to be careful. Okay, next, friendly. Friendly is how we are again. If we're friendly with somebody, that means we're very nice to them, right? We go out of our way to do things for them. We're friendly. Number 12, speaker, a person who speaks. Or a speaker for a radio because it speaks out of the box, correct? Okay, next we have wonderful, full of wonder. If I say the sky looked wonderful this morning, it made me just stare at it because it was so pretty. Next, truly. Okay. If I say I truly want to go back to school, that means I really do, right? Okay, those are your 14 basic words. Look at our suffixes, which are endings, and put them on the correct list. Okay, we have full, ly, and down here. And then as a review, we're going to add the review words to our sort. So let's take a look at our review words. We have hopeful, full of hope, and safely, which is how I'm hoping all of us are acting these days, safely, right? Then we have a challenge. Add the challenge word to your word sort, okay? Our challenge words are listener. It's a person who listens. And calmly. It's how I'm sitting here right now talking to all of you very calmly. Okay? Being calm. Okay, guys, one more time. We're going to go over our words. We have singer, loudly, joyful, teacher, fighter, closely, powerful, farmer, quickly, careful, friendly, speaker, wonderful, truly. Our review words are hopeful and safely, and our challenge words are listener and calmly. All right, guys, that's it for today. I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Have a great day.